It's Judy Love Bowman, aka Dr. Think and Shine. My friends call me Dr. Thinky, here with another episode on Write Your Book This Month or Write Your Book This Year, whatever timeline God is giving you. And we're talking here about transitions. Now, if you have a concept for a book, if God has given you a conceptual framework, an idea, some people work better, again, as I said in an earlier video, with diagrams, circles, connect these circles, and how do they connect, and where do they overlap, and so forth. There are others who work better with an outline. So there's one red line that connects the entire project, whether it's not necessarily a volume of poetry, because each poem might stand alone. But if it's a book of prose, say if you're writing a book for adults, a book of prose, it should be a fine red line that connects everything. But as far as transitions, in your outline, your first Roman numeral might be your introduction, your 12th Roman numeral might be your conclusion. They probably won't change in order, although they will change in content as the draft progresses. However, as far as transitions, Roman numeral number 5, you might trade places with Roman numeral 8 as you get to more advanced drafts because of transitions. You have to say, how do I move from point 2 to point 3? Okay, I have a transition. But how do I move from point 3 to point 4? I don't have a transition, but I can move from point 3 to point 8. So let me move 8 up to 4, and so forth. Get it? Questions? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, like this video, and activate your notification bell so that you'll be made aware when we upload new videos. Thank you for joining us on Dr. Thinky Global. Dr. Think and Shine signing out. Happy writing.